Hey there, are you frustrated by your Monopoly Go game showing a no internet connection error? You're not alone. This common issue can cause quite the headache for players ready to roll the dice and take over the Monopoly. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this guide, we'll teach you how to fix the no internet issue in Monopoly Go step by step so you can get back to building your property empire, crushing your opponents in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Before diving into solutions directly related to Monopoly Go, it's crucial to make sure your internet connection is functioning properly. Start by making sure your Wi-Fi is turned on and connected to a network. You can do this by accessing the Wi-Fi settings on your device. If you're connected but still facing issues, try toggling your Wi-Fi off and back on. Additionally, consider switching to mobile data to see if the issue persists. If neither connection produces results, restart your router. Step 2. Restart Monopoly Go. Sometimes the simplest solution is to restart the app. Exit Monopoly Go completely by swiping it away from your recent app or force closing the application in your device's setting. Afterward, reopen the game to see if the internet issue is resolved. This quick step can often clear any temporary glitches or bugs that may disrupt your connection. Step 3. Update the app. Keeping Monopoly Go updated is crucial for smooth gameplay, especially when encountering connection issues. Head to your device's app store and check for updates. Developers frequently release updates to address bugs and improve overall game performance. An outdated version of Monopoly Go could be the reason behind the no internet connection issue, and updating may provide an immediate fix. Step 4. Clear cache and data. For Android users, clearing the cache app and data might do the trick. Navigate to the Application Manager or Apps section in your setting. Find Monopoly Go, tap on it, and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Be aware that clearing data will reset the app to its default settings, so you may need to log back into your account. This process removes any corrupted files that might be affecting your connection. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling Monopoly Go. Doing so will give you a fresh start and can fix issues caused by a faulty installation. Find the app in your device's app store, uninstall it, then download and reinstall it. This fresh installation ensures you have the latest version and can resolve persistent problems. We hope these steps helped you fix the no internet issue in Monopoly Go. By checking your internet connection, restarting the app, updating to the latest version, clearing cache and data, and reinstalling, you should be back to buying, selling, and trading properties without any hitches. Always prioritize a stable internet connection and keep your apps updated for the best gaming experience. Remember, a few troubleshooting steps can make a world of difference. With these tips, you'll spend less time dealing with technical issues and more time enjoying the thrill of the game. Happy property hunting, and may your Monopoly strategy lead you to victory.